Hello, I'm Imantas, and on the table I have the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner 5 and 5 Pro. Both vacuum cleaners vacuum, washes the floor, return to base on their own, wash their pads, and are basically designed to make housework as simple as possible. Both vacuums have 20,000 suction power, so they will definitely handle dirt at home, from hair and dust to crumbs. In these new models, one of the most interesting features is the DTOF radar. Why is it named so complexly? Because they both extend out. Imagine when the robot is moving and meets an obstacle that is too low for it to pass with the extended radar. It retracts that radar, passes through and cleans up. This means even the smallest debris will definitely be vacuumed. For more precise and better cleaning, both vacuums have an extendable side brush and an extendable mop pad. This allows the robots to better clean dust along walls, edges and corners, where other robots usually leave it behind. The very big advantage is the automatic base stations. They both wash the mop pads with water up to 80 degrees Celsius, dry them and remove dust from the vacuum cleaners themselves. The dust bag itself needs to be changed roughly every 75 days. Well, of course, it depends on how many people live in the house. Of course, you are wondering what the difference is between the standard and the Pro model, right? The Pro model has special cameras and is a bit smarter. It has the ability to recognize obstacles, go around them, or simply not vacuum them up. Let's imagine if we have a pet at home and it, let's say, made a mess. This vacuum cleaner will handle that. Seeing an obstacle it cannot vacuum, it will simply go around it. The same happens when the vacuum sees there is more debris on the floor. It turns on a more powerful motor and then vacuums it all up. The same occurs when the vacuum itself notices a larger mess. For example, if there is a puddle, it turns off suction, cleans that puddle, and only then turns suction back on. This means no water will get into the vacuum itself. So the Pro model is for those who want more intelligence and AI functionality. The triple camera will facilitate this. The most interesting part is that the camera also works as a video camera. This means if you have pets at home or just want to see if everything is okay, you can turn on the vacuum and watch the feed through the app. The Pro model has an AI triple camera system, an RGB camera, 2 infrared cameras, and a 3D infrared point projector. Because of this, the robot can recognize up to 200 objects, cables, socks, shoes, and thus plan its route more accurately. The Pro model also recognizes different types of dirt. For example, if it detects solid debris, it turns on a more powerful suction. If it detects liquids, it turns on mopping and thus handles any kind of mess. And of course, both vacuum cleaners work with the Xiaomi Home app, which allows you to turn them on remotely, set cleaning schedules or no-go zones. Both models support Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, and the latest Xiaomi updates will keep them from becoming obsolete. The new 5th series, Xiaomi vacuum cleaners. Both powerful, both smart, both have their own bases, they vacuum very well and they mop floors very well. In this case, the Pro model is much smarter. It has HD cameras, AI features, and it recognizes all obstacles and dirt.